It's Kilobyte here. In this video, we're going to change the front wiper blades on this 2016 Mazda CX-9. All right, driver's side is actually a 24-inch. Passenger side is 18-inch. These happen to be Bosch Focus. To remove the old one, you're going to want to push on this button right here and then pull it forward. And as you can see, yeah, it needed replaced. Verify your length before you open the package in case you need to return it. So the new blade is going to come with several optional adapters. Unfortunately, you will need to swap them out. It's not that big of a deal. But it comes with what it numbers as 2, and we need 6. This one here. What you want to do is with a flathead screwdriver, pop the number 2 off. Make sure you paid attention to which direction that little arrow goes. Number 6, match it. Put the new one on, like so. Then you just slide it in. Verify it's not going to come off. And it's changed. In this particular one, see where it says remove? You need to remove the sticker. Don't leave it on. This little like kind of green colored thing, that will turn to a yellow shade when you need to potentially change your wiper blades. If you leave the sticker on, well, it's going to be covered and you'll never know. Now, this is more than likely a marketing gimmick, but just don't leave the sticker on, please. All right, that's all there is to it. It is recommended that you check your wipers before you actually need them to make sure that everything's good, but I think you can handle that. All right, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. Good luck with yours.